If you're a senior struggling with cold feet, numb toes, or poor circulation, listen closely, because what I'm about to share might just change your life in the next 7 days. A simple, natural foot soak remedy used for generations is now making a big comeback among doctors, naturopaths, and wellness experts. And the best part, you can do it from the comfort of your own. Let's talk about poor circulation, especially in seniors. After the age of 60, many people begin to notice cold feet, even in warm weather, tingling or burning sensations in the toes, cramping in the calves, swelling in the ankles, or feet that fall asleep quickly. These symptoms are often signs that blood is not reaching the extremities properly, especially the lower legs and feet. And if ignored, poor circulation can lead to more serious issues like nerve damage, slow healing wounds, infections, and even risk of amputation in diabetic seniors. But here's the good news. There is a simple and effective remedy. It's called the circulation boosting foot soak, a combination of minerals, herbs, and heat therapy that revives tired feet, opens up blood vessels, and stimulates healthy flow. This is not a gimmick. It's a natural method, rooted in traditional medicine and even supported by modern science. Here's how it works. When you soak your feet in warm water infused with circulation-boosting ingredients, 3 things happen. Vasodilation. The warm water helps expand your blood vessels. This increases blood flow to the feet and legs. Mineral absorption. Ingredients like Epsom salt contain magnesium, which reduces inflammation and supports nerve health. Herbal stimulation. Herbs like ginger, cayenne, and rosemary activate your nerve endings and improve thermal circulation. The result? Reduced numbness, warm toes and feet, improved healing, more energy and less fatigue when walking. And the best part, you start feeling the difference in just 7 days. 1 large basin or foot tub, 6-8 cups of warm water, not too hot, a ½ cup Epsom salt, 1 tablespoon ginger powder, or fresh grated ginger, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper stimulates circulation, a few sprigs or drops of rosemary essential oil. Mix all ingredients into the basin. Soak your feet for 20-25 minutes, preferably in the evening. After soaking, dry thoroughly and elevate your feet for 10-15 minutes. Do this daily for 7 days straight and observe the difference. What to expect after 7 days? 7:31:9. After 7 days, here's what many seniors report. My feet don't go numb anymore. I feel more grounded and steady when I walk. My socks aren't cold at night. That burning sensation in my toes is finally gone. You may also notice less swelling, better sleep, more comfort while walking or standing. Warnings and safety. 9:01:10. Now, a few important precautions. Always test water temperature with your hand first. Never use scalding hot water.